Okay, so I got a couple safety goggles right here. I'm going to show it to you guys. You know, sometimes I may ride my motorcycle and I need those goggles. So again, I'm going to do a test as well. So you're going to see me riding my motorcycle here, and then I'm going to give you some feedback on how I feel, how I like them, if they work or if they don't work. So here's how they look. They're going to come wrapped like this. And again, you're going to have one that has the dark glasses, and then you're going to have one that is clear. So I'm going to give you a quick look right here at the clear one, and this is kind of how it looks. And again, you see this right here. Hopefully they seal pretty decent in my face and they don't allow wind to come in. That's something that is going to be able, or I'm going to be able to see as I ride my motorcycle. But again, that's kind of what it is. You do have some adjustment here on the strap as well. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick look right here. This is kind of how they look. So again, just giving you a quick look on the way they look on me. Hopefully they're gonna ride pretty decent on me. First look at these goggles that I got right here. Safety glasses. They come in 2 pairs. I tell you, not that bad. I mean, I was going pretty fast. Pretty fast. Ain't really not that bad. They're not uncomfortable neither. Like I said, they come in 2 packs. So you're gonna have one that is clear and one that is black. And I got hit in the face, if you guys noticed. Okay, let me park right here so you guys can see it. So that's a closer look. I'm gonna tell you, not bad at all. Let me take him off. Let me give you a closer look right here so you can see him right there. And then you see that right there. If you notice, I got hit in the face as I was coming over here. You see the little mark right there. Obviously it would have hit me in the eyes. So that kind of gave me a little bit of protection. They don't seal completely. You still feel a little bit of air and things like that going in there, but you know what? It's not bad at all. It wasn't that distracting. And again, it's not like the top quality, but it's good enough. It's good enough for me to throw it in my saddlebags, and if they get scratched or whatever, I don't care because they're not that expensive, right? Little strap right here that is adjustable, and you guys can see, like I said, they come in 2 pairs. You do have a black one that, you know, obviously the glass is black, and you have this one. This is kind of how it looks right here, right? Doesn't feel bad at all, and they feel pretty okay. Again, for the money that you pay for it, really not that bad. That's what you can expect right there. So again, I wanted to give you a quick look. I just got them. They work just fantastic. I'm gonna go home, but as always, God is in control.